Hello, today I am going to a patio heater introduce to you. Its name is IRC Patio Outdoor Portable Ceramic Heater, and this heater is designed and made in Turkey. Uh, it has very quality parts. Also, it is a portable heater. You can carry on heater wherever you want. It is compatible used for outdoor entertainment and balcony, garden, swimming pool. Uh, this heater only works with one propone, so it will work up to 30 hours, very high for a very high duration for a patio heater. And this plate is made in ceramic, high quality ceramic, and the body is pretty strong, and it never falls down because it is developed in engineering and with a lot of effort. You can carry this heater with wheels. They are small, two wheels. You can carry it heater anywhere. If you have a cafeteria, if you have a restaurant, or you need if you need a heater for your garage, this is the heater that you are looking for. No need to complicate installation. You will order this heater and it will arrive. You just fold it and you will unfold and you will start to use. It is as Europe, it made in European standards. You can buy this heater from our website. Also, you can contact us on this info. Here are phone numbers, WhatsApp live support, emails, technical support, and more. Our company is located in Turkey, Bursa. It's Mira Engineering, Heating Engineering Systems. And thanks for watching the video. See you next time.